Hey, what's up, guys? It's the Crypto Ginger here. Just wanted to quickly go over a cloud mining site that you guys have probably been made aware of already. If you don't know about this site, it is called Hashflare. And basically, with Hashflare, you can actually go through and buy cloud mining hash. Um, and basically, instead of you having to sit at home with your own equipment and burning through your electricity, your computer, your software, and your hardware, you can actually buy contracts from Hashflare for whatever contract amounts they offer. And they have a selection of different cloud mining options there too. So if you were wanting to get strictly into cloud mining Bitcoin, then coming to Hashflare, selecting their SHA-256 is going to get you started with that. And again, guys, this is simply allowing this company to use their already set up hardware and softwares that's mining Bitcoin now. You are going through and basically purchasing hash power from them, and in return, they'll pay you in Bitcoin amounts. As you can see here, since I've been with Hashflare, I've definitely built up my amount, and I've also reinvested it so I can build up some more terahash. Now, mind you, I'm just like you guys. I'm just starting here, so I don't have a lot of money invested in it, and I also wanted to just check it out here. So um, this right here is a way for you to earn a little bit of passive income on the side. And I do know that these are more or less 1 year contract basis. So you want to set yourself up for something that you know will end in a year. And if you don't want to put a lot of money or stock into it, just put enough that you can earn a decent daily payout. You can see once you've purchased your amount, you can get a revenue forecast of what you currently have. Now, I'm going to give you a really decent understanding of how to register this, or how to read this, I should say. At least to find out what your profitability will be, and how long it will take to reach your ROI. So we're going to use my amount, which is 1.2 terahash, and let's just say you wanted to buy this exact amount. You'll go to buy hash rate, SHA-256, and then you will select this bar that will allow you to register the amount of gigahash all the way up to terahash. Now, because of my example, I'm showing 1.2 terahash at $180. Now, if we use the Bitcoin mining calculator, you can basically see I have here my hash rate. It's registered in gigahash, so this is terahash, so we'll add one more zero on the end of the number. That's 1200 gigahash equals 1.2 terahash. So basically, guys, what we're going to do is on this calculator, leave your power wattage, turn your power cost to 0. Your pool fees for Hashflare is running, I believe, at about 20%, so we can leave it there. And your hardware cost, if we go back, this is your hardware cost. So we'll pop that in. And this is basing off of what the current evaluation of Bitcoin is right now to the US dollar. So we'll leave it as that. We could drop the price down a little bit to give some more, a little bit more of wiggle room, how much you will earn. But what we'll do is we're going to use this as our example, hit calculate, and here you can see that in order, you're going to need at least 69.1 18 days to break even. Afterwards, you'll be able to collect uh, basically profits at that point in time. And interesting enough, scrolling below, you'll get a daily readout of what you should be earning based off of that amount that you just purchased. So, knowing that I have 1.2 already, let's just see, are we very close? Sorry about that. As you can see, I already have a revenue forecast for what I currently own. And we are getting very close here to the amount that this calculator has generated for us just as well. So not too far off with these examples. And again, this is just to help you register what you're going to earn daily, what you could see to earn in a week, 1 month, 6 months, and a year. Again, very similar to the Bitcoin mining calculator. I'll leave all of that in the description so you can have a chance to get to it and do your own calculations. But outside of that, guys, again, it's a great opportunity to make an additional passive income to the side. I will forewarn you, the amount of traffic that has happened for Hashflare has basically uh, put it so that they have to have a minimum of 0.0107 in your balance before you can withdraw. As you can see, I unfortunately do not have enough funds, so I'm letting that accumulate. But if you've purchased a big enough set amount of terahash or gigahash, then you could potentially be earning this amount right here in enough time to pull that out, maybe daily, maybe weekly. It does need quite a bit to build that balance up for sure. So just keep that in mind, guys, when you're doing this. And again, these are 1-year contracts. I understand there's Genesis mining. I'll do another video specifically for that. The only unfortunate part with Genesis mining is that their Bitcoin cloud mining contracts, they're basically only open when Genesis Miner wants to have them open for sale. They're not always for sale like on Hashflare. So you want to start earning today, go to Hashflare and go ahead and buy some now. Outside of that, guys, I'm saying this because you're in a time where with Bitcoin, I know you saw this earlier, but Bitcoin is now part of the CBOE exchange. It's being traded as a futures option, and in the last 24 hours, less than 24 hours, you've seen that Bitcoin has reached a high of $18,000. So this is only going to potentially keep going up, and I would imagine as rapidly as we've ever seen it. So between that, knowing Bitcoin price is going to go up, and you can go in and earn a passive daily income, um, banking off the fact that Bitcoin's price is probably going to continue to go up, you're only going to see returns. These returns are going to get bigger and bigger and bigger because Bitcoin is growing in its dollar amount and size. Now, lastly, guys, I know I've talked about this before, and I'm going to mention this one more time again because of the amount of money that could potentially be made with BitConnect as well. What I'm going to do really quickly here, guys, I'm going to show you I have a lending wallet of about $43. I would imagine that if we look at our calculator, the software volatility here, you're going to see we've been paid out very handsomely for the last 3 days going into our 4th day, and our 5th day here, what looks to be, yes, our 5th day after these big payouts is going to be lower. It's expected. We are seeing, if you scroll down to the Bitcoin price volatility, there's been a lot of volatility either up or down. So something to keep in mind, guys. So basically, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lock in a loan, excuse me, lock in a reinvest so I can actually build up my total investment here. So let's hit reinvest. Let's get that set up. And as you see, that was really easy. We're going to refresh our page, and I am now sitting at $820. So a pretty good move up there, and I am going to maintain this for as long as BitConnect does last. So I would imagine with the volatility happening, or we will see with Bitcoin, BitConnect is going to benefit from that. So it's definitely a good opportunity to get in here and make a secondary passive income while potentially, getting some of your cloud mining. And even if you want to do some day trading, this is all helpful ways to get an additional passive income. Guys, I know that a lot of you out there are skeptical. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. But if you want to get started, I will definitely leave the links for both of these sites in the description so you can get on board. Please know this is not financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor, but I can definitely give you my experience here, and I have made some pretty decent earnings being more or less on the poverty side of things and trying to get myself out of that financially. And this is a good way to do that. So, guys, thanks again for watching my channel here. I appreciate everything that you guys have done in regards to suggestions and to, looking into other coins. My page is still growing very exponentially. I'm at 612 subscribers, and I'm looking to get this to 1,000. So hitting that like and subscribe button will help drive more traffic in, and also sharing this content will really make it available for everybody. So thank you again, guys. Let's get this information out there to the public, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a good day, guys, and start making that crypto.